welcome to day 2 on the Disney Fantasy of our 7-day cruise. Today is our first day at sea, so right now we're heading over to Cabanas to get some breakfast. See what we're going to get there, but we'll keep going and see what we're going to do today. Got some breakfast. Kids are already digging into some Mickey waffles. Is that good, Juliana? The afternoon up on the pool deck, the morning up on the pool deck. Kids had fun at Nemo's Reef. My son especially loved it. Last cruise we went on was with the Wish. He did not really enjoy it, but he was a little younger then, so he seemed to enjoy this splash pad much more. But they had fun all together. My daughter also got to go on the Mickey slide, the Mickey hand slide. She did that like 4 or 5 times. Pretty easy to explain to her, what to do and how to wait in line, but they had fun. So we're actually going to go find some lunch now. probably just do something on a pool deck. I know the kids want ice cream, so we're probably gonna go to Ice Cream and get some ice cream. So let's head on up that way. Also, quick note too, today is probably not the best day to be spending up out on the pool deck and everything. Today's kind of a weird day. It's yesterday was much warmer. Today I think it was only a high of 75. There's also a lot of clouds. I thought it was going to rain too at one point. It looked kind of like it was about to rain in the distance, but it's actually kind of a cool day. So I'm not going to get on the aqueduct today. I might try again tomorrow. It's supposed to be a little warmer. Alright, we got our ice cream cone. See it there? Chocolate and vanilla. Alright, here's our spread today. Just got a cheeseburger. She got a cheeseburger as well. We got some chicken tenders and fries here. And Ezra's favorite, ketchup. Son's taking a nap right now, so I'm gonna go and explore the ship. I think I don't really know. I'm gonna go see what's going on right now, but I heard it was raining on the top deck, and I look out the porthole and it is raining quite a bit, so probably won't go up there, but let's go see what's around and we can go see. Don't know where I'm gonna head out to, but I am gonna go over to probably the top deck, deck 13. I'm on the forward side of the ship and start there. So right here on deck 11, right next to the cove area, which is that way, is Senses Spa. And here are their hours. You can see that. Over here on deck 12. Now we're on deck 13. Looks like it's still a little wet out here. Oh yeah. Still raining. So we're gonna go back this way. Alright, so we're on deck 5 right now.
People, come on, let's make some money!
Buena Vista Theater showing Avatar Way of Water right now.
So on deck 5 at the very top is Bibbidi Bobbidi Boutique. It is on the starboard side of the ship. It's accessible right outside the elevator. going to Mickey Mainsail's is much less crowded on day 2. Trying to find some shirts or something I can wear when I get back home. Something that says I like Disney Cruise Line, but I'm also not crazy. But I am, so that's okay. Alright. Alright, so we are heading to dinner. It is formal night this evening, but it's also our night at the Royal Court. So, but a lot of people are dressed up pretty nicely for this, so here we go. Alright, so no, get your carrot out of my plate. This is the brie, the fried brie appetizer. Looks like we got Mickey Premium bars again. Is it yummy? Alright, so we just finished our dinner at the Royal Court. Everything was really good. Just give you a quick rundown of what I had. I had the lamb
the lamb chops, and they were pretty good. Although I probably wouldn't get it again if we eat here and they have that on the menu again. The lamb chop has like a horseradish crust or something on the outside, so it's a bit strong, but it was very flavorful, and I ate it. And the potatoes were really good, and they give you really large chunks of Brussels sprouts, so it was all really good. But again, that was probably not my preferred. After that, I probably wouldn't get it again. It was actually really good, but we'll see what else we can try next time. So, all right. I don't know. So it is formal night, and they give you complimentary drinks. I didn't realize that at first when they were offering me a drink, and I was kind of going to say no because I didn't want to pay for something extra. I already had one during dinner, but I got here a complimentary mojito. Or no, sorry, it was a margarita. So, pretty neat. So we just walked back to our room. We have chocolate Mother's Day bullion. Hang on, don't open up. Yeah, Juju. And we have this. So we have a 25th anniversary Disney Cruise Line gift box. I wonder what's inside there. Also, we have a swan.
Have this chocolate. One more chocolate, Mama.
All right, so we opened up the box and we have a piece of art here for the 25th anniversary, and it comes with a certificate of authenticity. I can't speak, my bad. I can show you that there. And it's already framed, which is nice.
I'm trying my chocolate.
All right.
Mama.
are here for the fireworks this evening on day 2. I didn't even know the fireworks were going on because it didn't show up on my Disney navigation app, but the hostess this evening at dinner gave us a little clue that there was going to be fireworks tonight, so here we are at the fireworks. I believe it's for the 25th anniversary, so here's the party.
Welcome to our celebration of 25 years of Disney Cruise Line magic. My name is Tarek.
And I'm Lonnie, and I gotta know who's ready to steer our shimmering streets like the sky fireworks show!
And I've invited some very special friends that have been cruising with us also for 25 years. Would you please welcome Nikki and the gang? Oh, it's so nice to have them with us. I have to tell you, they are wearing very, very special outfits in honor of our 25 years anniversary. And here they come! Give them a big round of applause! Oh, Captain Mickey, Captain Mickey. Oh, Daisy looking beautiful as always. Hey, Pluto. Hey. Oh, and we have a very, very special evening planned for everybody. This is the opportunity that you have to think about your favorite Disney memories. Perhaps you have some wishes for the future of cruising with us. And we are going to have a countdown, and we're going to ask all of you to blow those wishes and kisses and memories to the sky. And we are going to start their countdown with 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Blow that kiss!
So I just got back from the fireworks show. It's a very crowded fireworks show, and it's super windy, so my hair is completely messed up, but whatever. It was really cool to see. It was actually, I didn't get to see any on the Wish last time, so it was nice to get to see some fireworks. So, but with that said, I'm gonna cut this video short here. I'm gonna end it here. Pretty tired, it's late, and I'm sure the kids are asleep now, so I'll see y'all tomorrow.